At gyngre'r y gogledd a gwledd o goliau ar y cae chwarae dydd Sadwrn gyda'r hen benan sereni. Neil Mitchell, cyn arwr y dre newydd, roddodd adargleision y canolbarth ar y blaen wedi llai na 10 munud. Ac roedd na gig Corsmotyn i Caersws 10 munud yn ddiweddarach. Daniel Goldson, golwr Rhuthun, yn baglus am Phillips, a Neil Mitchell yn rhwydo o'r 12 llath wrth gwrs. 2 i Caersws a 2 i Mitchell. Ond roedd criw Dyffryn Clwyd yn benderfynol o roi gêm i Caersws a daeth y Ruthin yn gyfartal wedi 6 munud ar 20. Suleiman El Amri'n gwasgu'r ergyd i mewn. Ac yna gôl ora'r gêm a na, nid i Neil Mitchell oedd hon. Y bel yn mynd o llinell gwsg y tîm cartra i draed Rhain Heston. Naeth y gweddill. Gôl o llythrenol un pen y cae i'r llall i adfer 2 gol y fantais. Bu bron i'r Ruthin dar yn ôl cyn hanner amser, ond ergyd Hughes Hampson yn taro windscreen un o'r ceir yn hytrach na chefn y rhwyd. Yn yr ail hanner, cyn arwr arall i'r dre newydd, Craig Williams darodd gic gornel berffaith i Mitchell o'r ffaniatric perffaith ynta gyda ffeniad 20 munud cyn y diwedd. Ond doedd hi'n dal ddim drosodd. Gôl geidwad Caersws y tro hwn yn ildio cic Corsmotyn, ond Jack Perry'n llwyddo lle methodd i gyd golwr ac yn arbed cic yn bol o cele. Gyda 12 munud yn weddill, fe brofodd Craig Williams fod na nerth o hyd yn yr hen goesa a gosod y bel i Neil Mitchell rwydo i bedwaredd. Tybed a di'r rhifa ffôn y ddau hen ben dal yn handi gan Chris Hughes lawr y lôn.
Yeah, it's very good result on day. I thought we played some really good football. We also rode a luck at times, like Jack Perry saved a penalty. They had a very good chance just before half time. If it goes in 3-2, the game's in a balance a bit. We went in 3-1, got the next goal, which is important, and then we kicked on a bit, gained confidence. People started getting on the ball a bit more, and we looked really good.
You know, someone said at the end of August, you'd be, sitting on 10 points from 15, would have snapped your hand off. The league is seriously competitive. I think everyone can beat everyone. But we've had a really good start. We've got a real tough month coming up now. Next league game, Flint away. They were probably title favourites, so it'd be good just to see where we're at when we come up against your Flint, your Airbuses, your Bangor. We'll see where we're at.
They had a lot of experience throughout their team. You can see the way they talk all over the pitch. We've got a lot of young lads there who need to learn and learn quickly. But they'll learn from games like that, definitely. Got to learn to manage games better. When we do go, 2 goals down, or we did, maybe just get a little bit compact and sort of sit in and try and see the game out a little bit more and weather the storm. But they're a good young group in there. We've seen lots of positives in the last couple of games.
I'd like to think that I try and create good habits and make sure, if I'm good, you expect other people to be good. I'm not saying they're going to be outstanding. I'm not saying I'm going to be outstanding, but we just try and keep levels. And then if the more experienced players, as you say, keep their levels high, then you hope that the players look up to you and perform the same way.
A word on Neil Mitchell.
Yeah, still life in the old dog yet, and he's been superb this season. His general play, hold up play, and to be fair today, everything he hit just ended up in the back of the net, didn't it? So yeah, no, well done to him today.